This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Viscodyne sugar-free cough formula syrup is designed to provide effective relief from coughs associated with respiratory issues. This syrup combines multiple active ingredients to reduce coughing and improve breathing. Indications and uses. This syrup is primarily used to manage productive coughs linked to bronchospasm, bronchitis, bronchial asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bronchiectasis, and chest congestion, making it a versatile option for those struggling with respiratory ailments. How it works. The syrup combines Ambroxol, guaiphenesin, Terbutaline, and menthol, which together work to thin mucus, decrease secretion stickiness, relax airway muscles, and provide a cooling sensation to relieve throat irritation. Directions for use. Take the syrup exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Shake the bottle well before use. The doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on individual factors such as age, weight, and health condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach discomfort. If these symptoms worsen or persist, consult a healthcare professional for advice. Precautions and warnings. Take precautions if you have liver or kidney diseases, heart issues, or high blood pressure. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult with their doctor before use. Always inform your doctor about any existing medical conditions before starting treatment. FAQs. 1. What is Viscodyne sugar-free cough formula syrup used for? It is used for managing productive cough associated with respiratory issues. 2. Can it be used with peptic ulcers? Caution is advised due to its mucolytic properties. 3. Is it safe for children? Yes, but dosage must be determined by a doctor. 4. Can pregnant women use it? Consult a doctor due to lack of sufficient studies. 5. What are common side effects? Nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach discomfort are common. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.